Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with another supplement review for expectant mothers. Today I'll be discussing the importance of prenatal vitamins and going over Thorne Research's basic prenatal formula. Super popular. Thorne is actually one of our best selling brands in our store because of their quality and no added fillers in their products. During pregnancy, a woman's nutritional needs increase dramatically. What she eats and supplements directly impacts fetal development in those critical 9 months. Proper nutrition can reduce complications and support the health of both the mother and the baby. That's why taking a comprehensive prenatal vitamin is so important. But before we dig deeper into basic prenatal, I want to stress that this is for educational purposes only, so please consult your doctor before taking any vitamins or supplements. And everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store at drbellhealth.com. That's drbellhealth.com. I'm talking even better pricing than good old Amazon. Unfortunately, due to the terms and conditions that I have with the suppliers, I can't tell you how much it is, but it's a good deal. We offer free shipping and returns on all of your favorite brands, such as Standard Process, Thorne, Microbiome Labs, Metagetics, Biotics Research, and many more. But if you already have a full script account, shoot us an email that's provided on the screen right now, and we will add you to our store so you can enjoy our discount. Now let's look at what's in the Thorne's formula. First up is folate. It's essential for healthy development of the brain and spinal cord, especially in preventing neural tube defects. This is a big one. Thorne's Basic Prenatal uses 5-MTHF, a form of folic acid that's actively used by our body. Next is vitamin B12. Its demand skyrockets during pregnancy for the development of new brain cells in both the mother and baby. The form they use in this supplement is readily absorbed by the body. Vitamin C. Vitamin C just isn't for fighting colds. It's vital for both the mom and the baby in aiding immune function and collagen formation. It's really a multitasker. Vitamin B6. Not only is it critical for your baby's brain and nervous system, but it also helps alleviating morning sickness. Who doesn't want that? Vitamin B2 or Riboflavin. It boosts energy production and it supports your baby's growth, vision, and skin health. Iron. Iron is a big deal too. It supports your baby's development and helps prevent anemia in you, the mom. The iron in basic prenatal is stomach friendly and non-constipating. You don't need any other problems while you're pregnant. And that's not all. This supplement is packed with other vital vitamins and minerals. These are just kind of the big ones that everyone's looking for. And they do that all without the additives and coatings found in mainstream prenatal vitamins, which you want to get the best, the most pure, the gold standard for you and your baby. Remember, a healthy pregnancy isn't just about eating right, it's about ensuring you and your baby get all the necessary nutrients, which supplements like Basic Prenatal by Thorne can provide. And don't forget, you can get Thorne products at the best price online. We beat Amazon, all those other people, at our full script store at drbellhealth.com. That's drbellhealth.com. Thanks again for joining us, and if you found this information useful, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos for more health insights.